Hey everybody, I'm harvesting carrots for a dinner side dish. So I've already started harvesting some. There you go. And you'll see I'm kind of going for those that have the taller stems on them. There's various sizes, some of them bigger than others. There's some good sizes in there. So I just need to pull up several. Oh yeah, that's a good bunch. Check that out. Awesome. Okay, I think that'll do me. So I rinsed them outside under the faucet just to get most of the dirt off before I bring them in. I have cut off the top of the carrots and I'm saving those greens because I'm going to make some basil pesto and I'm going to add the carrot tops to that. I am cutting the carrots now into about 2-inch pieces so that they will all steam evenly and be easier to eat. The recipe I'm making tonight is for spiced glazed carrots. And now I have a pot on my stove with a steamer basket inside and water in there. Started it boiling, and now I'm adding my carrots. I will cover it with the lid and let them steam for about 7 to 10 minutes until crisp tender. These are the ingredients for the glaze, and I will put the recipe in the description of this video. In a separate saucepan, I am adding all of the ingredients for the glaze, and I will heat that up so that it melts and becomes a perfect glaze. And so that includes the spice blend, salt, apple cider vinegar, and apricot preserves. And lastly, I will add the butter. My carrots are done steaming, so I'm going to turn them off and remove the lid. Now to keep stirring the glaze so that it doesn't burn, because remember it has lots of sugars in it. It won't take long for it to melt, and then we'll be ready. Now I will add the carrots to the glaze, and then I will stir it to coat. And that's it. You can see they are well coated now with that shiny glaze. I hope you've enjoyed this video and will like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.